Ever seen those super cute, fluffy One UI 8 widgets and thought, wait, is that only for certain Samsung phones? Good news! Today I'll show you how to install One UI 8 fluffy widgets on any Samsung phone. And yes, it's easier than it looks. All right, let's jump straight in. Step 1, get everything ready. First things first, let's prep the files we need. Start by downloading the Fluffy Background Pack. You'll find the link in the description. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll see a bunch of fluffy style backgrounds that we'll use later. Now make sure you already have Good Lock or Fine Lock installed. Either one works perfectly. Inside Good Lock or Fine Lock, install the module called Home Up. After that, open Home Up and turn it on. Then go to Home Screen Settings on your Samsung phone and make sure Home Up is enabled there as well. Still in Home Screen Settings, turn on the feature called DIY Home Screen. Once that's done, we're all set. Let's move to the fun part. Step 2, creating the fluffy widget. Now we're going to build that fluffy widget look. Tap and hold on an empty area of your home screen, then choose Widgets. Scroll until you find the Gallery widget, tap it, and add the widget size you like. Place it wherever you want on your home screen and resize it until it looks right. Tap the widget, then choose Select Images and pick one of the fluffy backgrounds you extracted earlier. Next, tap and hold the empty area again to add another widget. This can be a clock, calendar, or anything you want. Choose the widget and the size you prefer. Tap and hold that widget, open its settings, and remove the background if there's an option for it. If there's no toggle, just set the background transparency to 0. Every widget app is a bit different here. Now tap and hold the empty area again, but this time choose DIY Home Screen. Drag your main widget and place it right on top of the fluffy background widget. Tap the up arrow so the widget appears above the background. Adjust the size and position until it fits perfectly. And that's it. And just like that, your Samsung phone now has One UI 8 fluffy widgets, even if your device doesn't officially support them. If this made your home screen cuter or saved you some time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the links. See you in the next one.